This video is brought to you by Cajero POS System. If it's good enough for our business, it's good enough for your business.
Ansel Gyupsal Antipolo is now open for alfresco dining. Visit them at iMall Antipolo.
What is up, everybody? Good morning and welcome to today's Jovids. We are on the way to Malate to pick up a special car that's going to be needing some pampering and some loving. So sit back and enjoy this video. You might learn a thing or two. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you don't feel like subscribing, then ask your friends to subscribe for you. Share the video as well. Okay guys, so welcome back to the vlog. So magkakabit tayo ng mga body braces, strut bars, and power braces sa 86 Toms 86. Siyempre, what other brand to put? Kundi Toms din, di ba? So figure out muna namin kung saan kinakabit to dahil walang instructions yung mga braces eh. Wild.
Because we're about to the speakers are about to blow. 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 Get low. 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 The speakers are about to blow. 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 Get low. The speakers are about to blow. Get low. The speakers are about to blow.
Okay guys, so kinakabit natin yung mga body braces tulad nito. Like this. It will give the car more handling. Like this one. So medyo mahirap na siya ikabit pero kaya naman. Baril-baril lang.
The speakers are about to blow. The speakers are about to blow. The speakers are about to blow. The speakers are about to blow.
The speakers are about to blow. Get low. 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 The speakers are about to blow.
The speakers are about to blow. The speakers are about to blow. The speakers are about to blow. The speakers are about to blow.
The speakers are about to blow. Get low. The speakers are about to blow. Get low. The speakers are about to blow.
Tanggalin ng Cusco, palitan ng Toms. Tanggalin ng Cusco, palitan ng Toms. It's time to test this shit out.
Let's go!
Okay, so we'll end the video there. So tomorrow is going to be a new day. We'll continue working on the 86. We'll be changing the oil, the diff oil, the gear oil, the coolant, and we will detail the engine as well as refresh the coilovers. Also, we'll be installing Steck Smart Series tint on the 86. So I'll check with you back tomorrow. What is up, everybody? This is your boy Chino Baby from Tusog TV. Welcome to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're ever to subscribe, please press the notification bell button to have an idea when we have new videos uploaded. So today we'll still be working on the 86. Gonna be changing the gear oil, the diff oil, the engine oil, and be inspecting the whole car. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. And I forgot to mention that we'll also be refreshing the KW coilovers on this ride. So yesterday what we did was we installed the body braces on this car. It was a pretty productive day. We were able to install all the bars in the car, a total of I think 8 bars, something like that. Yeah, 4 underneath, 3 at the top, 7 bars. Okay. So for the oil change, we will be using, of course, our K&N oil filters. Guys, so masarap isipin, no, habang nasa ilalim ko ng kotse. Yung, ano ulam mamayang hapon? Anong tanghali pala? Masarap kayo ni mamayang lunch.
Ansel Gibson Antipolo is now open for alfresco dining. Visit them at iMall Antipolo.
Okay guys, so that concludes our change all package for this car. We changed the oil, changed the diff oil, changed the gear oil. And now, it's time to move to the tint. So I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe, stay home, and God bless. Bye.
This video is brought to you by Cajero POS system. If it's good enough for our business, it's good enough for your business.